Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Faith, and today guys I'll be reacting to Diana Ankudinova Blizzard. Yes guys, and without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this video.
Diana Ankudinova.
Blizzard.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем.
Oh my god guys, when I heard her voice for the first time, my heart caught, my heart skipped a beat. That voice is so deep. Wow, let's continue guys. Wow.
Тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
How can she sing with so much calmness with that voice? Oh my god, that voice is coming from deep within her soul. My god, her voice is so good. Wow, this is incredible guys. Oh my god.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне,
she's so matured.
Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым юга, думаю.
The words are so deep, my god, and she's singing with such emotions. You can see the emotions on her face with her body language. This girl is so good, my god. Wow, guys, that was such a beautiful performance from Diana Ankudinova Blizzard. Oh my god, I love the whole arrangement on the stage, the way she was singing, the emotions and everything, the way she shows the emotion from the words to her face and everything. It's just so incredible. That was such a beautiful performance. I absolutely love it. Her voice was so deep. She was well put together, well composed. Oh my god, this girl is good guys. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you totally enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Ваши аплодисменты, Диана Ankudinova.